Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore canonical tags in WordPress with Yoast SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore canonical tags in WordPress using the Yoast SEO plugin, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the dashboard menu on the left side of the screen. Locate and click on the SEO option. In the drop-down menu, select Search Appearance. Go to the Content Types tab. Here, you will see options for different post types, such as posts and pages. Make sure to enable canonical URLs for each content type by toggling the option to on. Next, go to the Taxonomies tab within Search Appearance. Ensure that canonical tags are enabled for categories and tags as well. Head over to the Archives tab. Here, check the settings for author and date archives to enable canonical tags if necessary. After adjusting these settings, navigate back to the dashboard menu. Select SEO again and click on Tools. Choose File Editor to access your site's robots.txt and .taxs files. Make sure no other plugins or manual edits are affecting your canonical tags. Once you've confirmed that all settings are correct, visit your website. Open a post or page that you want to check for canonical tags. Right-click on the page and select View Page Source. Search for canonical in the source code using Ctrl+F or Command+F. Verify that the canonical tag is present and pointing to the correct URL. If the canonical tag is missing, consider rechecking your settings or plugin conflicts. If everything looks good, your canonical tag should now be restored properly. Remember to clear your website cache if you're using a caching plugin. This ensures that the changes you've made will be reflected on the live site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.